New tornado warning issued for South Carolina. Here is the full text of this warning. Attention, the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Florence County in northeastern South Carolina, west central Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, central Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. At 1:59 p.m. EDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hannah, or 13 miles east of Lake City, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard tornado. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact, expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Kingsburg and Poston around 2:10 p.m. Eastern Time, Gresham around 2:20 p.m. Eastern Time, Britons Neck around 2:25 p.m. Eastern Time. Precautionary preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Full stop. End of warning.